Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. PDP governors stand with Sim Fubara, tells Inec, stop playing around the bush. Conduct election to replace sack Pro-Wike lawmakers. We need that to be done. We all know the law. This is what is happening now. PDP are standing up for Fubara. It's been a long time coming. We expected this more earlier than now. Since APC government is the government from the central, PDP kind of seems sunk in, okay? Especially with disunity in the party, it has really affected their morale. One of their governors, Sim Fubara, whom also the predecessor, Nyesom Wike, are from the same state and the same party, have been going through a lot. And this is as a result, I beg your pardon, of what Wike wants, because he feels offended by the party disposition over the primaries. And so this is exactly what is going on now. PDP now is coming together to say it is time for us to stand for one of our own. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Rivers crisis. Conduct election to replace sack Pro-Wike's lawmakers. PDP demand immediately. Enough is enough. In an apparent move against the Pro-Wike Rivers lawmakers, the acting national chairman of the People Democratic Party, PDP, Damago, has asked the Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, to conduct a by-election to fill up their space following their deflection from the All Progressive Congress. Damago's request was contained in a letter he addressed to INEC particularly. The certificate true copy of the letter is dated 13th November 2024. The spokesperson for the Opposition Lawmakers Coordination, Ikenga Ugochinyere, made the letter available to journalists at the press conference in Okokwa, Imo State on Sunday. The letter is dated Demand for Immediate Conduct of Fresh Election of 27 lawmakers in Rivers State, which has become vacant following our constitution, which gives provision in section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution. It draws the Commission attention to the unlawful deflection of 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly on December 11, 2023. According to the letter going by the provision of the Constitution, the lawmakers are no longer members of the Assembly. The APC acting chairman therefore urged the commission to perform its constituted duties and begin the process of conducting fresh election to fill the vacancies created in the 27 seats which the 27 lawmakers has unlawfully left vacant in Rivers State for a while now. Part of the letter reads, the leadership of our great party, the People Democratic Party, wishes to draw the attention of the Commission to the gross violation of Section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended by 27 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly following their unlawful deflection from our party, the People Democratic Party, who sponsored their election to the All Progressive Congress, APC, on Monday, December the 13th, 2023. The Commission may recall that our party, the People Democratic Party, nominated all 32 State House of Assembly candidates in Rivers State for the 2023 general election on the 7th of July 2022 via their electronic candidates election nomination portal, which we all know. The Commission may also recall that following the nomination, the Commission conducted election into the Rivers House of Assembly on the 18th of March 2023, and our party won 32 seats in the State Assembly. The elected State House of Assembly members were inaugurated and sworn in on June 23. However, on Monday, 11 December 2023, a period of just 6 months after inauguration, the 27 out of 32 members publicly announced their deflection from our party to the All Progressive Congress. This deflection is a gross violation of Section 109, subsection 1G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. The only two grounds of division and merger provided in the Constitution that permits such deflection is completely non-existent in our political party. It therefore means that the deflection of 27 members are without lawful excuse, and these members have vacated their seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly in the operation of Section 109, subsection 1G of the 1999 Constitution. In view of the foregoing, we therefore demand that the Commission perform its constitutional duty and begin the process of conducting a fresh election to fill the vacancy created by 27 lawmakers. According to the Constitution and the law, the Assembly members find attached lists of their names are there. While thanking the Commission for its commitment to deepening democracy in our country, please accept that it's high time we do the right thing and ensure that Rivers State is fully occupied with the right people and things are moving well as democracy should be in the state. You guys have spoken well, PDP. I wonder what you were waiting for up until now, but it is better late than never, so I will say it's a good start. It's a good place to start. So PDP has finally woken up from a deep sleep. They've been in a very deep sleep. However, they are up now. They are up, and that is a good place to start. So my people, you can see that it's no longer business as usual. Things are different. PDP have risen up and they're asking Inec to do the right thing, that what has been going on is no longer business as usual, as there is need for, Inec. I don't know, when it is time for them to do their work, they will not do it because they want to prove one thing or another. But now that, the days are upon them and they cannot lie anymore, we'll see how they will go about all of this and ensure that truth is justified. We want to hear what you think, because the days upon us are clear now that we cannot continue with business as usual and expect a different result. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a good day. From us, is bye for now.